Yeah, we'll put those there for
Would you guys be
now.
opposed to paying $20 instead of $15? $5 going to make or break anyone.
I'm all for 20.
What was that look for?
I withdrew the question.
So just because it's a nice round number, everybody's got a $20 bill.
Because
It makes it way
Now
easier.
that he's here, yeah, you.
Because I got the flashlight.
No. You guys do whatever you want to do. This is, this is your gig. I just started it. And I'm happy that it's taken on a life of its own. And I have to thank you for much of that because you've been an instigator.
I don't change you.
In the best possible way.
Allie's causing trouble in a good way.
Good trouble.
In the best possible way. So anyway,
She's staring at you.
I got to do two things. Number one, I got to tell a story.
We like stories.
I was delivering Ron Mesh's Mercury S55.
Oh, yeah. I've seen him twice now. Oh, that black one's gone.
Yes, and it was, it'll be back here in a day or two, but it normally hangs out here.
Plan
But
it
Ron
that way?
wanted to drive it, so I delivered it on Saturday evening. And as I'm driving it, a text pops up from Grant that said, "Did you just drive by in a black Mercury S55?" Now, you got to understand, this is an exceedingly rare car, so the chances are close to 100% that it was me. But me, being the jerk that I am, I waited an hour, and then I texted him back and I said, "No, I was driving it an hour ago."
That's our Sherman.
I'm surprised you didn't say anything after
I
that.
was just like, I got nothing to add. I know it was you. I know minimally it was the car.
Yeah, this is one of those things.
Grant
I
just sits
had-
there going, "You some bitch."
I work across the street. I see every vehicle come in and out of here during first lunch, second lunch.
How many lunches do you get?
Have multiple.
I want multiple lunches. Sometimes I don't even get one.
First lunch,
Lunch doesn't necessarily mean eating. It means going away for half an hour.
Oh,
And then we
well,
have volleyball afterwards.
half the time I want to go away and just not come back for like a couple days. Oh, I've already done that this month a couple times. Sorry.
you work every nickel, every minute. How are you?
That's about how much I clear, about a nickel.